through Fremont Street East to take a look at the construction or the redo of the street project. I was last here about 2 months ago, and I just want to check things out and see how things are going, you know, because these streets still are trashed. There. What was that line in the Back to the Future? Roads? We don't need any roads. As you can see, these boys ain't done yet. Now, I'm not sure how far I'll go down today. Been out for a while. But anyway, okay, so as you can see, they're doing their thing, trying to get this place up to snuff. You know, fix the streets, fix some lighting, adjust the sidewalks, drainage systems, and the whole thing. Now, I cannot remember all the details, but I put on the screen just some various details about what's going on with this project, all right? On the screen now. Now this sign always has a little gag on it. Hope you can see it from here. It says, let's see. It says, the furniture store keeps calling me to come back, but all I wanted was one night stand. In Japanese, that's hitoban. Hito being person and ban meaning night. Okay. Atomic Liquor. Still doing their thing. Now, once this area is revitalized, if they can revitalize it, because there are so many, you know, motels down there which just aren't in use, they can revitalize that, and as long as there aren't any criminal problems, it could be a dynamite area, you know? It'll be a lot of fun. So we're coming up to, and there's the old Golden Goose from way back when. Huh. Let's see. I guess this bit's done. Over here, or not started yet? I'm not sure.
I'm like,
Coming on our right is 11th Street Records. Lots of vinyl, a whole lot of vinyl, and a very wide selection. Across from 11th Street Records is the Ferguson's Downtown. Now these guys are trying to revitalize this little area with restaurants and a coffee shop. You know, the coffee is cool. I have not tried the restaurants yet. And today, it sounds like it's a party. So we got to cut to different music. See, I have like a little food trucks back here also, which I did not know. Churros, the good earth. else is back here? Some vegan food. Oh, the fuck. Vegan kitchen. Ah, my first time back here. Hey, piano.
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, right. Live music. Hey.
It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be fine. Thank you very much.
So needy. Oh, donkey ball? Oh, yeah. Excuse me.
You're thirsty?
All right, so in the market in the alley, a lot of the food was vegan. Nothing wrong with that. Well, the tastes are right, the price is right, you grab it and go. So my first time going in there, and then tomorrow the woman told me they're having some live music at Ferguson's downtown for some relief efforts for the Australian fire, which happened recently. I'm sure you're all aware of that tragedy down there. All right. Hey, take the sign out. I don't believe it. Huh? But like I said, they can revitalize these motels down here. And as long as the criminal element is sort of removed or pushed out, how you doing? Pushed out, it could be, pretty good. Yeah? Because let's be honest, this area down here, it's interesting and fun, but it can be unnerving for some people, right? So look at this place, the Lucky Motel. This is a clover on there, I guess, right? So, looks, kind of cute actually if they clean it up. Don't charge arm and leg, charge some good prices. Hey, it'll be all right. Yeah? How you doing? It'll be all right. Hoochie. A lot of folks have, what do you call it? Pit bulls out here. Just so you know, all right? Just so you know. And we end at the, at Publicus Dynamite Cafe. Always has lovely aroma in that place. Lovely. So I'm not going all the way down, but the improvement project continues. Oh, excuse me, sorry. This is as far as I go. The improvement project continues for quite some ways, but I am not in the mood to walk, so that's that. All right, you guys, I always say, if you want me on camera, I always say, see me outside, say hello back. Take care, wherever you are, and have a great day. Cheers.